Welcome to my channel. Here you can watch live streams of flying in the DCS Combat Simulator IL2 and see how I build my Messerschmitt BF109 K4. If you'd like to build it yourself, you can download the files to print it on a 3D printer and easily assemble it with the help of our community. Please support our channel by subscribing, hitting the like button, and ringing the bell to stay updated. Help us create and share more content.
This is what we are going to make, the O2 oxygen panel. Let me take you through the process how I have come to this part of the 109 K4 part. We're looking up the BF109 part, where it's located, how it's installed, and which components are related to it. As you know, parts for the BF109, especially the K4, are very hard to find. Like blueprints or other drawings, that's why we usually have to rely on sketches or small drawings from historical books and estimations. We don't know the exact dimensions of the panel, but we do know the dimensions of the instruments inside, like the O2 gauge, the flow meter, the O2 valve, and the O2 pressure regulator. I use Autodesk Fusion 360 to create all the parts. I found the original blueprints for the O2 flow meter. I imported the blueprint into Fusion 360 to accurately redraw it with the correct dimensions and form. We then prepared it for 3D printing and assembled it. I also found the blueprints for the other parts as O2 regulator and fully redrew it, as you can see here. It's printed and neatly assembled to be also an exact 1.1 replica. Here is also the O2 valve with the correct dimensions, and I assembled everything, including the switches and stepper motors to be used within DCS or another sim. Now that I've made every part, I can create the panel with the correct dimensions, just like in the original. The measurements are so precise that it fits perfectly in the cockpit of a BF109 K4. So whether you make it from sheet metal or 3D print it, you can use it in your simulator. You could even install it in an original 109 K4. Because I don't have rails for the seat in the simulator, I had to create a small extension to raise it a bit. As you can see, it looks really good. Here you can see the entire cockpit. Everything you see is equipped with switches and motors that communicate via Arduino. A few of us on Discord are working to make everything 100% to scale. Jarnberg is working on a 95% scale sheet metal frame, and Shamrock has shared a scale wooden cockpit that can be built. We also have many drawings on our Discord and could use all the help we can get to complete this library of the 109. And remember that we do it for hobby and share everything for free. You can find the link to our Discord in the comments below. Thank you for watching this how-to. Don't forget to like so we can keep working on our project and continue to grow.